Okay, a very good morning to all my dear students. So as you have already done the addition and subtraction of fractions, we are going to continue that. But the new thing is now we have to add or subtract unlike fractions. In the previous exercise, exercise 7.5, we have done addition, subtraction and word problem also, but those were of like fractions. Now the denominators will be unequal. First you will have to make them equal and then you can add them. So we'll see the first question. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. You can see this is 3, this is 7. These two are unlike. So the first thing is you have to find out the LCM, least common multiple of 3 and 7, which is 21. Then convert this denominator into 21, both. So 3 into 7. So if in the denominator you are multiplying it by 7, numerator will also become into 7. So 7 2s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 14 upon 21. Similarly, you have to convert the next fraction, which is 1 upon 7, and it will become 7 3s are 21, 1 into 3 is 3. So 3 upon 21. So these two fractions have become now like fractions because you can see the denominators are same, 21, 21. So you can add them directly now, 14 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21, which will give you 17 upon 21. And I told you, you have to make sure that the fraction should be in the lowest form. But here they are already in the lowest form. So this is the final answer. Okay, similarly we have done the second question, which is 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 15. So here also you will take the LCM of 10 and 15, which is 30. Okay, then convert both the fraction into like fractions, and always remember, if you are multiplying denominator by some number, you have to multiply the numerator by the same number. So 10 3s are 30, 3 3s are 9. 9 upon 30 is the fraction, and 7 upon 15 has become 14 upon 30. 7 2s are 14, and then you will add these two. 9 plus 14 will give you 23. So the answer is 23 upon 30. Okay, so this way you have to take the LCM. Now we'll solve few more parts and some will be for homework. Now see, the next one is subtraction. Okay, so which is 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. Whether it is addition or subtraction, concept is same. You have to make them like first. LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So here, instead of writing separately, I am just writing it here only. So I have to make this denominator 12. So I'll multiply it by 3. 4 3s are 12. तो ऊपर भी numerator को I'll multiply with 3. Minus sign will remain as it is, and it will become 3 into 4, 1 into 4. So the new fractions will be 9 upon 12 minus 4 upon 12. You can write this way also. There is no harm in this. So now you can see that these two fractions have become like. Now you will just subtract them. 9 minus 4 upon 12, which will give you 5 upon 12. Okay, simple. Then similarly, you have the next part in which 3 fractions are given. You have to add the 3 fractions. So this is no different than adding 2 fractions. The only thing is you have to make, instead of 2 fractions, अब आपको 3 fractions को लाइक फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. तो आपको 2 नंबर के बदले 3 नंबर्स का एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा. सो एलसीएम ऑफ 3, 4 and 2. You can use rough space for calculating the LCM. You know how to calculate LCM. You all have learned it. Okay. So 3, 4 and 2 ka LCM is coming 12. Then you will convert. You can see, instead of writing separately, I have written at each fractions place. So first of all, I will focus on the denominator. This was 3. I'll multiply by 4. This was 4, so I'll multiply by 3 to get 12. This was 2, so I will multiply by 6 to get 12. अब जिससे नीचे multiply किया है उसी से ऊपर भी multiply करना पड़ेगा. So it will become 2 into 4, 3 into 3 and 1 into 6. So the new like fractions are now 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12 plus 6 upon 12. Okay, now you can see all the 3 fractions have become like. The denominators are same, so you can add them directly. So it will become 8 plus 9 plus 6 whole divided by 12, and addition of these 3 will give you 23. So this is your answer, which is 23 upon 12. Okay, so this way you have to solve, add 2 fractions as well as 3 fractions. Now we have addition of mixed fractions. Okay, mixed fractions hai. The first thing is you have to convert them in improper fraction. You all know how to convert. We have studied in the previous exercises जो starting की आपकी थी 7.2, 7.3. In those exercises we have seen 3 into 1 plus 1. Okay, you can see over here 1 and 1 upon 3 will become 3 into 1 plus 1. Okay, upon 3. So it will become 4 upon 3. Similarly, this will become 3. 3 is a 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 upon 3. Now, if you want to add these two, you can add these two directly. 4 upon 3 plus 11 upon 3, which is 15 upon 3. Now, as I told you, the final answer should be in the lowest form. So it will become 3 5s are 15. So 5 is the final answer. Okay, and this was easy because here the fractions were already like fractions. Okay, now in the next one, mixed are there, plus they are unlike also. So first thing, you will convert them in improper fraction. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14 upon 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 upon 4. Now this is the new question you have got. Now you can see these two are unlike. So you will find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So you will convert this. So it will become 3 into 4 and 4 will become 4 into 3. So numerator also you will multiply by 4 and here by 3. So it is 14 4s are 56 upon 12 and 13 into 3 is 39 upon 12. So when you will add these two will become 95 upon 12. Now final answer, you can just convert it in the form of a mixed fraction. So you will divide 95 by 12. So you will get 12 7s are 84. 84 plus 11 is 95. So this is the final answer. Okay, so you have to complete question number 1 of this exercise. Complete all the remaining parts. So that's all for today. Thank you.